In this question, it is given that if x plus y plus z is 0, then the value of this is equal to, you have to find the correct choice. The normal way of doing this question is too much lengthy and difficult. As you can see, the book from where I had taken this question, that book has given this solution. You can see very easily how much lengthy and difficult it is when the question can be done just in mind within 1 second. If it is possible to do the question in 1 second, it is just nonsense to use the normal way. See, the smart way of doing this question will be, still if you want, you can take screenshot of this picture and this is the second part. Here also you can take screenshot. Agreed, whatever I am going to tell you, that is not proper mathematics, but who takes care of ethics. The main thing in examination is to get the marks, and you will surely get correct answer by this way. Because I have to take x, y, z such that sum should be 0. The simplest possible case is take x equal to 1, y equal to -1, z equal to 0. That is allowed to us because I have to take only that values so that x plus y plus z is 0. If I take x equal to -1, y equal to 1, z equal to 0, then this value clearly satisfies this condition. Some of you may think that even more better way of thinking will be take all the 3 as 0. But if you take all the 3 as 0, this question will become undefined. Hence, because 0 upon 0 is undefined. If some higher level student is seeing this video, he may say that 0 upon 0 is indeterminate form. But no, in present case 0 upon 0 is undefined. What is the difference between undefined and indeterminate form? That is higher mathematics. This thing I have spoken for those students who are in 12th or 12th pass. This thing, it's not that only this is possible. I can take any case. Only thing is the sum should be 0, maybe -1 0 1, yeah, 2 -1 -1. So many possibilities are there, but I would like to take the simplest one. Therefore I have taken -1 1 and 0. And if you take these values and put the values here, obviously you will get 1 upon 2 plus 0 plus 1 upon 2 plus 0 plus 0 upon 0 plus -1. That is, you will get 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Answer is 1. Hence you can see D is the correct choice. Isn't it very simple as compared to the normal way? In this question, it is given that if b plus c minus a into x is equal to c plus a minus b into y is equal to a plus b minus c into z equal to 2, then find the value of this. First, I will do this question by normal way. Then I will do this question by smart way. The normal way of doing this question will be equating first and last. I will get 1 upon x is equal to b plus c minus a by 2. 1 upon y is equal to c plus a minus b by 2. And 1 upon z will be equal to a plus b minus c by 2. This I have obtained by equating second and last. This I have obtained by equating third and last. And putting the values of 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z here, it is very easy to observe that c plus a minus b by 2 plus a plus b minus c by 2. Similarly, this end you will be getting. And it is easy to see that it is A. Similarly, second part will become B. Third part will become C. Hence, you will get the answer A, B, C. Hence, we have got the B choice as correct choice. In this present case, I will tell you two smart way of doing this question. Both are equally good. In this smart way, no any calculation will be done. Just common sense will say that the answer is B. I will not do any calculation. Directly I will say answer is B. See carefully that if I try to find the value of 1 by x by equating these two, it is clear that the value of 1 by x will be a linear expression in ABC. That is, you can see very easily, this is the value of x, this is the value of y, and this is the value of z. Looking at these values of 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z, it is clear that this expression is going to be a linear expression in ABC. This is also going to be a linear expression because all the terms will be of degree 1 after calculating. And here also all the terms will be of degree 1. That is, I can say when I will multiply all the three, I am going to get a expression of degree 3. It is of degree 6, cannot be correct. It is of degree 4, it is of degree 9. Hence, B is the correct choice. Agreed, this proper also correct, but many times we get the benefit by taking the help of dimension for doing the question. Here I have taken the help of degree, or you can say dimension, for doing the question. And the third smart way will be, I have to take the value of x, y, z, a, b, c such that this condition is satisfied. I take a, b, c, all the three equal to a. You can see very easily, if I take all a, b, c equal to a, I will get ax equal to ay equal to az equal to 2. That is, if I take all ABC equal to a, I will have to take x equal to 2 by a, y equal to 2 by b, and z equal to 2 by c. This thing can be done. This thing can be done just in mind. It is not required to write. I have told you this thing for understanding purpose. Otherwise, nothing is required to write. And taking this value of x, y, z here, here, and here, you can see very easily you will get a, that is a cube will be the answer. And it is clear that this is the only possible case where if I write a for b and a for c, it will become a cube, and it is giving the result a cube. But this will give you a to the power 6, this will give you a to the power 4, this will give you a to the power 9. If I take a, b, c all equal to a, hence I can say B is the correct choice. This is the second smart way. In this question, you may think that the normal way itself was easy, but note that the concept I have used here is a very useful concept. This concept of dimension is used in many questions because in objective question, time is also a very important factor. In this question, it is given that if a to the power x is equal to x plus y plus z to the power y, a to the power y is equal to this thing, and a to the power z equal to this thing, and you have to find the correct choice. First, I will do this question by normal way, then I will tell you the smart way of doing this question. The normal way of doing this question will be, to reach at the correct option, I multiply all the three. I will get 8 power x into 8 power y into 8 power z is equal to x plus y plus z whole to the power z. That is, I have got 8 power x plus y plus z is equal to x plus y plus z whole to the power z. And from here I can easily say that the value of a will be x plus y plus z. Hence obviously a and b are not correct because the value of a is x plus y plus z. But to get the correct option out of C and D, if you see carefully, if I write x plus y plus z for A, I will get from here as x plus y plus z whole to the power x is equal to x plus y plus z whole to the power y, which means x is equal to y. Similarly, from here I will get the conclusion that y equal to z. Hence, after we have got the conclusion that x is equal to y equal to z, from here I will get x equal to y equal to z equal to a by 3. The smart way of doing this question will be, we take the value of x, y, z, a such that these conditions are satisfied. You can see very easily the simplest case I can take is, let us take x equal to y equal to z equal to 1. Main thing is I have to take those value of x, y, z, a such that these conditions are satisfied. If I take x equal to y equal to z equal to 1 and take a equal to 3, obviously these conditions will be satisfied. It is just by common sense and it is not difficult to think this thing. And this case doesn't satisfy this equation because here left hand side will be 9 and right hand side will be 3. This case will not satisfy this also because left hand side will be 6 and right hand side will be 3. This case will not satisfy this also, but this case clearly satisfies this case. Hence I can say D is the correct choice. You may be thinking that, okay, this way has given me the correct answer. Suppose by chance the examiner has given one other choice as x square equal to y square equal to a by 3. Then in that case, confusion will arise between this and this, which one is the correct choice, because in that case these values will satisfy this also and this also. And usually this thing doesn't happen that two choices give same answer, but even if this happens, then we can take any other case. Only the case should be simple. Let us take the value of x equal to y equal to z equal to 2. And if I take these values of x, y, z, obviously the first one will become a square equal to 6 square, that is the value of a will become 6. And in that case, this choice will be satisfied, but this will not be satisfied. For second part, will not be checking these two because these two have been already rejected. Only confusion was there between this and this, and to remove this confusion, I took the value of x, y, z equal to 2, and because I wanted that this condition also must be satisfied, hence putting the value of x, y, z, I have got the value of a as 6. That is, for these conditions to be satisfied, if I take x equal to y equal to z equal to 2, I will have to take a equal to 6, and in that case this option will not be correct, because this will be 4 4 4 and this will be 6 by 3 2. Hence the problem will be solved, and I will immediately say this is the wrong choice and this is the correct choice. This I have told if by chance instead of this is one other choice. In this question it is told to us that what is the value of this, that is, if we simplify this whole expression, after simplification what will be the answer? 0, -1, 3 or 2. The book from where I had taken this question, you can see very easily how much lengthy this solution is, and finally we have got the answer as 3. But we can get the correct choice in this way also, because this is equal to one of them. For every value of ABC, I take the value of ABC as 1. Obviously this will become 0, this will become 2 by 2 plus 2 by 2 plus 2 by 2, that is the answer will be 3. Hence I can say C is the correct choice. Isn't it very simple? In this question it is given to us that if x square equal to y plus z, y square equal to z plus x, z square equal to x plus y, then what is the value of this expression where x, y, z are all non-zero? The normal way of doing this question is lengthy and difficult both. You can see this was the solution given in the book from where I had taken this question. You can see it is both difficult and lengthy. But obviously this can be done in very easy way, but the smart way of doing this question will be very simple. I have to take those values of x, y, z so that these three conditions are satisfied. Note that I can't take the value of x, y, z equal to 1, because it will be 1 and right hand side will be 2. Therefore that is not possible. And it is to think what values of x, y, z I must take so that all the three conditions are satisfied. Let us take the value of x, y, z all equal to a. I will get a square equal to 2a. Everyone will be reducing to a square equal to 2a. That is because a is non-zero, because x, y, z are non-zero. Hence I get a equal to 2. Hence it is clear that these three equations will be satisfied if I take the value of x, y, z all equal to 2. And in that case this will become 1 by 3, this will be 1 by 3, this will be 1 by 3, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is 1. Hence I can say A is the correct choice. In this question you have to find which one of the following is correct. Seems to be a tough question, but if you see carefully you can note one thing, that in every question 7 to the power 1 by 3 and 3 to the power 1 by 7 is common. That is, this thing is common in every side. Let us start with the first choice. If you suppose this thing as x, then is 7 to the power 1 by 3 plus 3 to the power 1 by 7 as x. Then to check the first choice means we have to check that x into x minus 2 minus 24 is equal to x plus 4 into x minus 6 is correct or not. Clearly right hand side is x square minus 2x minus 24, and left hand side is also same as x square minus 2x minus 24 if you multiply these two. That is, you can say first choice is correct. But still for clarity purpose I will check the other choices also. Clearly left hand side of second part is x into x plus 2 plus 24 is equal to x plus 4 into x plus 6. We have to check whether it is true or not. Clearly this is not true because left hand side is x square plus 2x plus 24 and right hand side is x square plus 10x plus 24. Hence second choice is wrong. Suppose I want to check the third choice also. Third choice will mean that left hand side is x into x plus 2 minus 24 and right hand side as x minus 4 into x minus 6. Clearly left hand side is x square plus 2x minus 24 and right hand side is x square minus 10x plus 24. Hence C is also wrong choice. And in the similar way you can check the last choice also. The procedure is same as in the first three choices I have seen. If you take this as x, in left hand side you will be getting x square minus 2x plus 24 and right hand side will be x square plus 2x minus 24. This is a subjective question. In this question it is told to us that prove that 3a plus 2b minus c plus d whole square minus 12a into 2b minus c plus d is a perfect square. Otherwise it seems to be a tough question, but one thing you note that 2b minus c plus d is present in this part also and in this part also. Hence my calculation will become slightly simple if I name 2b minus c plus d as some other constant, say y, and 3a and 12a are present. It will be slightly better if I write 3a as x, and because by doing this thing number of terms will also decrease and the number will also become smaller, and then it will be easier for me to understand the question. Hence I am supposing 3a as x and 2b minus c plus d as y, and I get x plus y whole square minus 4x y. For 3a I have written x, and after writing 3a as x, 4 will be remaining, therefore 4 I have written here, and this part I have written y. It is clearly equal to x minus y whole square. Hence we have got the result as 3a minus 2b minus c plus d whole square. Hence we can say this whole thing is a perfect square, that is equal to this. In this question it is told to us to find the value of this. You have to find the correct choice. Note that you must be knowing that a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is always equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. This formula you must be knowing, and further you must be knowing this thing also. This is equal to half of a plus b plus c into a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. Just open all the brackets and by 2 you can easily see that you'll get this answer as a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. And keeping this formula in mind, we can easily say that the value of this will be equal to 249 plus 250 plus 251 and 1 by 2. Outside you can see very easily 1 by 2 is also present. I am going to use this formula, that is this equal to this I am going to use. And here in the bracket you will get 249 minus 250 whole square plus 250 minus 251 whole square plus 251 minus 249 whole square. Clearly this is equal to 1 by 2 into 750 into 1 plus 1 plus 4, that is equal to 750 into 3 is equal to 2250. Hence C becomes the correct choice. In this question it is told to us that if x is equal to root 7 minus root 5, y equal to root 5 minus root 3, z equal to root 3 minus root 7, then the value of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 2xyz equal to, you have to find the correct choice. Just by looking at this expression, immediately the formula of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx comes in our mind. And if x plus y plus z is 0, and in case x plus y plus z is 0, we get the conclusion that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. But here slight change is there. Here minus 2xyz is present. Therefore, to bring the question in formula form, I write it as minus 3xyz plus xyz. Hence, I get x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus plus xyz. And because it is clear that x plus y plus z is 0, hence this part becomes 0 and we get the answer as xyz. And just put the values of xyz and get the answer. But you may be thinking that still it is not so easy, because it is lengthy to multiply and get the result. See, root 7 minus root 5 is the value of x, root 5 minus root 3 is the value of y, root 3 minus root 7 is the value of z. Here, instead of doing the full multiplication, try to become smart. The smart thing is, you can see very easily that if you see 2 root 7, in these two choices minus 2 root 7 is present, and in these two choices plus 2 root 7 is present. And if you see 2 root 3, then plus 2 root 3 is present in these two choices, minus 2 root 3 is present. Actually, what I want to say, you will understand. Just wait. And similarly, in these three choices, 4 root 5 is present, and in this choice only, minus 4 root 5 is present. And hence, try to think that when you will multiply all these three, and because it is a foundation level video, therefore in this video, to bring the term of the type root 3, I will be clearly multiplying two brackets. But if your level is high, that is in higher level, a chapter named binomial theorem comes. If you are clear about the detailed concept of binomial theorem, then you will not be required to do proper multiplication. But presently, I will be doing proper multiplication and try to bring the term of the type root 3. Say I multiply these two. Root 7 minus root 5. Here you write root 5 into root 3 minus 3 minus root 5 into root 7 plus root 3 into root 7. Obviously, root 3 will come only when these two terms will be multiplied, or when these two terms will be multiplied. See the smart thing I'm using, that I'm not doing the full multiplication because I want to concentrate only on those terms in which root 3 is present, because I want to check the coefficient of root 3, positive or negative. It is not necessary that I should concentrate upon the coefficient of root 3. I could concentrate upon the coefficient of root 7 also. Now, if you multiply these two, you will get minus 5 root 3, and these two multiplication will give you plus 7 root 3. That is, after calculating, you will get 2 root 3. 2 root 3 means only one of these choice is correct. This is sure to be wrong and this is sure to be wrong. About B and D, either I can proceed further by looking at the coefficient of root 5 or with the help of coefficient of root 7. Yes, I can do by that way, but one more slightly better way will be, I can immediately say that this is the correct choice, this is the wrong choice. Reason being, I know that this is either equal to this or equal to this. See the smart thing I'm doing. It is clear that this is positive, positive, negative. It means out of these two, only that can be answered which is negative. It is clearly positive because after taking 2 common, it becomes 2 root 5 plus root 3 minus root 7. It is very easy to observe that this is a positive number because it is 2 point something. It is also 2 point something, but it is more than this. Hence this whole is positive. Therefore C cannot be correct choice. Therefore B is the correct choice. You may be thinking that how so many things will come in mind, but remember, that's why practice is done, so that your mind should start working very fast. The book from where I had taken this question, he had done the complete multiplication of these two, which is clearly not a good way of proceeding. In this question, it is told to us that find the value of x cube minus 8y cube minus 36xy minus 216 when the value of x is 2y plus 6. The book from where I had taken this question, he has tried to do the question with the help of the formula a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. And in case a plus b plus c is 0, then the value of this becomes, that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc becomes 0 if a plus b plus c is 0. You can see what he has done. I don't say it is wrong, but I will tell you the smart way. First you understand the normal way. Here he has written the given expression in the form of x cube minus 8y cube is written as minus 2y whole cube, minus 216 is minus 6 whole cube, 3 into x into, it can be 36xy can be written as 3 into x into minus 2y into minus 6. And because now it has come in formula form, it can be written as, and taking this as a, this as b, this as c. Now the question is in exactly formula form, hence it can be written as a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Using that we have got this result. But here, because a factor x minus 2y minus 6 has come, and it was given that x is equal to 2y plus 6, that is x minus 2y minus 6 is 0. Because of this I can say the answer is 0. I don't say it is wrong, but it is time taking. But see my way now. Here it is clear that when x is equal to 2y plus 6, in that case the value of this doesn't depend upon x and y. From the options it is clear. From the options it is clear means whatever the value of x and y, only if this condition is satisfied, then the answer will be a constant. Therefore, main thing is I would like to take such values of x and y so that this condition should be satisfied. The simplest possible is take y equal to 0 and x equal to 6. By taking y equal to 0, hence x will be 6, it will become 6 cube, 0, 0 minus 216, answer is 0. Hence I can say answer is C. The point to be noted was, because from the language of the question it is clear that if this condition is satisfied, the answer of this is going to be a constant. And because it is going to be a constant, means the answer doesn't depend upon x and y. Only thing is this condition must be satisfied. Hence I had taken the value of y as 0. Otherwise it is not necessary that I should have taken y equal to 0. I could take the value of y as 1 also, but 1 is not good. It will be better if you take y equal to minus 1. You can do this question in this way also. Take y equal to minus 1, hence x will become 4 and put the values. But again it will be not a good way. The better will be take y equal to minus 3. Then x will become 0. In that case, put the value of x and y. You will get minus 8 into minus 3 cube minus 216. It is again 0. So far you must have understood. Just for more clarity, I am telling you, even if you had taken say y equal to minus 2 and then x equal to 2, even then you would have got the same answer. You can check it yourself. It will be 8 minus 8 into minus 2 cube minus 36 into 2 into minus 2 minus 216. It is 8 minus plus 64 plus 144 minus 216. You can see it is also giving the answer 0.